guys, what's up? Me and me are about to head to youth. We're gonna bring y'all along.
I hate when cars come.
They can't go though.
But what if it does? I'm gonna die.
They can't.
Where is the cup? It's locked, but mine isn't.
Get in, girl.
Cool.
Oh.
Am I recording? Hi, chat. Look at my under eye bags. Oh yeah, ready? He looks so coolness. Wow. I'm so happy for you.
Let me know.
Let me know. Let me know. I lost my voice. Where are we, Jason?
The cup.
The cup. What do you get?
I got a agua de melon and flaming hots with cheese.
With cheese and corn.
We happen to be Mexican.
Delicioso.
It was in our blood.
We were made for this. We were meant to live so much more. You look so cool here.
You know what's funny? The last time I vlogged, it was me and Jacob eating at the mall.
And now it's you eating here at the cup. We should do that trend with your hand. My name is Pink and I'm really glad to meet you. You know what I'm talking about? Ooh, is this illegal? You don't know?
Hey, copyrighted?
No. I'm not that good of a singer.
Ooh.
Am I your best cameraman or your worst?
Worse.
Yeah, it's all out of focus. Here, mog real quick. I'll edit you. Oh yeah, bro, it's out of focus again. There you go. And do this like. Do you have a mic? No, right? 6, 7. Are you gonna? These are both for you, right?
Yes.
They're both for you.
Yes.
That's so legit.
Wait, I never tried it. I gotta try it. I know there's people it's corn, cheese, and flaming hots. There's corn.
There's corn.
There's corn.
It's true. I was there. I saw it.
Mia put me on.
Guys, follow me on Twitch. JK never stream. Thank you. How do I can't turn it off. Oh my gosh, leave my eye.
Mia's too scared to reverse.
Bro, look at all that traffic. It's like peak traffic hours right now. It's okay. Oh my gosh, you're gonna screenshot me eating.
Alright, everything's about you, Mia. This is Jason's vlogs. Not Mia's vlogs.
This is a man. Whoa. This is a man. Here, look. I'll play copyright-free music for you.
What? I don't need music.
No, you do. It's gonna hit. Watch.
My battery's about to die.
What?
I don't need copyright music, man. Copyright free.
Maybe.
Starters
This
glitch.
is my playlist.
You gotta take this off.
Okay, I have a better one.
No, I don't want that one.
You don't like it? Try this one.
I thought. I came in your car, girl. I was like, oh, send me a drive. I thought you wanted to drive.
No, stop.
You're chilling.
I know how to reverse out of here.
When this guy leaves, you're chilling.
It's fire. Bro, we're gonna be like, we're already late.
Late to what?
With you?
Use 9 at 7. Pull up. What are you rating this?
100.
I've been craving these so bad.
500.
You know what's crazy? I had ordered my salad and they gave me this instead.
That's so crazy. Oh my god. That's so crazy.
Like,
I hate when they do that.
I don't even know what this is.
It looks like bacon with cheese. Is that healthy? Is that not healthy?
It's like Mexican chips with a Mexican sauce
Oh, weird. Yeah.
and Mexican vegetables.
You put that in your vlog. Can't help with that. That looks weird. I wonder how loud my AC is there.
Super probably.
Nah, I don't care that much.
Yeah.
It's your vlog. I should have brought water. My stomach hurts.
You gotta show my owl.
I'm cooked.
You know, like how I love.
I know.
It's crazy how much space there is in this car.
Right? I love it. Look, that's my old steering wheel.
I'm so
It's
used
in
to
the
being
back
in
seat.
like,
Tiny cars.
yeah.
Now you're gonna love my car. We should take it to Dallas. No, better idea.
It barely turned on.
It's something they're gonna fix. Look how clean it is. I cleaned it today. It's not
Are
that.
you gonna drive?
No, I don't want to back up out of
Try it. No, you
with
just
the million cars.
look how much. Look, just try it.
Jason, I don't want to die. I don't want to
Think
die.
I want to die?
That's all I need coded. Don't you think? Sometimes I wish.
Look, if you get it right, then your first time
And if
reversing.
I don't, we freaking die. And
Yeah, but we have a video
for
of
the
it.
plot, bro, this is illegal.
You're chilling.
I can't.
Yeah, look, here you can literally just turn your steering wheel all the way.
Around?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to do that. Oh wait, reverse. No wait.
No, turn already, turn.
Oh, turn already.
Yeah, turn already.
That
wait,
way?
Wait, there's a car coming.
That way?
Yeah.
Oh freak, that's the wrong pedal.
You're not in reverse.
I wasn't gonna reverse. I'm gonna go around.
No, reverse like that.
How? What?
Yeah.
This way?
Turn the
This
steering
way?
wheel that way.
This way.
Yeah. Make sure there's no cars, right? Oh, we almost died right now.
No. We're chilling. What the heck?
So what up?
We should get to
Oh my
eat.
gosh, thanks for bringing
Let me
Got
have.
munchies too.
my car! They may see!
I'll hold the chips.
Oh, no. Oh,
Why are you canceling youth early?
Because no one came.
Wow.
Doesn't that suck?
What's up, guys? We decided to end youth because nobody came. So now we're gonna go get food. And I'm driving now because it's dark and we almost died with Mia. So
True.
see y'all in a bit.
Look, this is transition. Go like this.
You already did it.
Go like that.
You already did it.
Should we kiss now? But the lights are up. Like that. You're chopped and also on. Are we gonna go this way? I can't. I'm in a skirt. Dang, my behind is all dirty now. Do you want me to record you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is Eddie here?
I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, that looks like him.
That's Steph.
That looks like him. Huh?
Are you gonna get any food?
No. I kind of want to drink.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna just get a raspa.
You're so beautiful. This is Jason. This is not Mia, I promise.
Why would Jason be touching my face, weirdo?
Because this is his vlog.
Hi, vlog.
I'm just gonna record him. He looks so.
Can I get a blue coconut with lechera? Small. What kind do you want? I'm already hungry. What? I'm already hungry.
Can you get me limon?
Yeah, tell me.
Can I also have a limon one, please? Guys, Raspalicious. Oh, this is what we came for. You look so aesthetic. Oral Farm real quick.
Yo, where's the Claro at?
Bro, where's my matcha?
There's some matcha.
There's some matcha here? Yo, that would be fire. That would be so good.
Tell them, you should sell it.
What? No.
How much is it gonna be? Together? Yeah, together.
Thanks. You're not chopped and unk anymore. Sorry? No, thank you. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Yeah, I got that.
I'm scared.
I'm gonna go buy something else.
So what? He's chopped and also unk. Are you gonna blur these kids' faces?
Nah.
Nah.
They're suffering my wrath.
I like doing this.
They're suffering my wrath. For when we are IRL stream.
Wait, thumbnail ready? Nice.
Bro, the whole vlog is just us eating.
Yeah. We're just some cool guys that eat. Right? Wait, I'm wearing deeper merch. Look, show them. Look. Deeper. And the back.
December 6th, let us know.
Let me know. Jason's gonna be doing a signed meet and greet there. $5.
I'll sign whatever I want. I got offered my first autograph
When?
at National Youth Conference.
Why?
And I said no.
Why would somebody ask for that?
That was funny. I was like, nah, bro.
You're gonna be so happy when you see that you're out of focus this whole time. I don't know why it does that. Do I have to like lock it on you? Or is it? Hey chat. Should we do an IRL stream? I think we should. That would be so fun. But I'll just record you. Should I stream when I get home? Low-key, I might. Actually. I miss
I
it.
have to try the pizza.
Pizza on stream or what?
No, man, my vlog.
Oh, for your vlog. Oh, darn.
My vlog sponsored it.
What?
The pizza.
We done nothing but eat today. Literally. And whose fault is that? It's not mine. If your hand's on the wheel, then it's your fault. Oh, well. No. My car sways too much for you to be doing all that. Look. I can't reach. It makes a sound.
I still don't have a microphone.
Just a cool guy.
I just said.
He's sad.
It's a he.
I mean, she.
Why is it sad?
Because he has to watch me drive. He's actually terrified. So. Yeah.
What's her name?
Rat face. What's her name? Guys, we got the pizza. Oh my gosh. Should I show you? From Fire Pizza. Okay, never mind. Let's see who's on Instagram right now. Liz! She get a new phone case? Dang. That's
What
cool.
is?
My Liz from San Antonio. I mean, from Austin now. She's from Austin. She's an Austin gal now. I'm jealous. I want to live in Austin. Jason, what did you think of the Summer I Turned Pretty finale?
Did I finish it?
You don't even know?
I don't know, because it's so confusing. I thought I finished it when she went to Paris. I don't think my viewers care about this one I turned pretty.
I do. I'm a viewer and I care.
Do you watch my vlogs?
I do. I watched both of them. I'm your number one fan, actually. I have an edit of you.
So does Michael.
Mine's better, Michael.
We'll see.
Trust.
We'll see. Are you mogging?
Yeah, do you like that?
Let's try fire pizzas.
Pizza. I say pizza.
Pizza.
Pizzas.
Pizzas.
That's not a good review.
Yes, it is. It's a great view. Wait, let's get that B-roll.
Oh my gosh.
Alright. Was that good
I'm
B-roll?
scared.
Why? It looks good.
No, yeah, that's not why I'm scared. I'm scared of you.
Let's pray.
Oh, I'll wait for you.
Hey man, let's try this joint. I like the cheese.
I like the tomato.
It's chunky.
Mm-hmm.
I like this. I don't know what kind of pizza he said it is, but I like it.
I like it.
I do enjoy this. It's got like a crunch.
A crunch. Why does it?
Not like the initial bite.
Mm.
It's kind of cold already though. But like they made it like in that oven too. It's crazy. But yeah, it tastes pretty good. So Mia, important question everybody's asking. Are you singing ladies conference this year?
I don't think anybody's asked that. Wait, that's a lie. Somebody asked me. Yes?
Do you think it's weird when people ask you
Yes.
when
Please don't
they're
ask
like-
me. Please don't ask me.
when you're at a conference, people are asking like, "What are you singing?"
Please don't ask me. I mean, I get it. You're just curious because I sing. But I mean, I don't know. It's like kind of awkward. Especially if I don't know the person that well. They're like, why aren't you singing? I'm like, oh, you didn't ask me to? Like, I don't know what you want me to say. Like, no, they took me off the list.
If she's not singing, it's because she did something really bad.
Don't say that. They're gonna believe you. No. They're gonna believe you because it's you. You ruined my career.
But you're singing. So you didn't do anything bad.
Yeah, I've been good.
I'm playing keys this year.
Did anybody ask? I don't think. I don't think anybody asked.
This is my vlog. Does anybody leave the leaf on?
Please don't ask me.
Does anybody leave the leaf on?
Eat it.
I'm not eating the leaf.
Why isn't it like mint?
What kind of leaf is this?
Leave comment.
Is it spinach? I feel like spinach makes
It
sense.
might be spinach. Jason, what pizza you got?
B plus.
The wine margarita one?
No, I just got pepperoni.
Sorry. I like spreading rumors. Chicken. I would never do that.
But yeah, Mia did something, so that's why she's not saying
No,
it.
stop. You're lying. You're lying. Literally lying. Ugh.
Let me know if y'all want me to stop vlogging.
What?
If y'all don't like my videos, tell me. Please. So I can stick to base.
I just know everybody's gonna say like, just take me out of the vlog. I fear.
But if y'all do like it, let me know. Hopefully, I just want to give y'all apostolic content to watch while y'all eat. Cause I know, like when I eat, I like to watch videos. Like I don't wanna, I don't know, maybe it's bad, maybe it's not bad. But I don't wanna watch a Bible study every time I eat. You know? And Julian Tavares is starting to vlog again, so that's cool. Cause for a while I would just watch him when I would eat. Then he stopped. But now he's starting again, I think. I don't know if he's gonna keep doing it. What do you watch?
Well, I used to watch him.
Do you watch any apostolic? Who?
I like
Are you
Gracie's.
lying?
I like Gracie's gems.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. I was like, crazy.
I like her videos.
She vlogs.
They're so cute. I love the way she talks. I love her accent.
When I first heard her accent, I was like, what?
Like I was like confused because I've never heard anybody talk like that. Like a real person. Like
Like that wasn't in a show.
yeah, that wasn't like a show. Like an actual person that talks like that. People are real. I don't know why.
What do you mean? Talk like how? I don't know what you mean.
Like the way she talks. Like with a southern accent.
Aren't you from Texas?
Yeah. I'm from Texas. Her account got like hacked.
Really?
Or she couldn't access it for some reason.
Gracie Jem?
For a long time, yeah. Like for like a month or two, I think. She like wasn't posting on her like actual account. She
She's
took
been,
her back up.
she's been popping for a while, right?
I think at least a year and a half. Maybe longer.
Yeah, I remember seeing her like a while back.
I like her.
Like her stuff.
And she dresses cool.
I get a lot of the girl stuff because DC sends me like dresses every now and then. So like randomly on my feed,
Girls.
I'll get like boutiques, like the modish ones. Or also because Yaneli's always tagging me in some because of the giveaways. That girl's a fiend for the giveaways.
Yeah, she's gone for a month.
Huh?
She's gone for a month. So couldn't get her account. She had 37,000 followers. Isn't that crazy?
I have like 7 on YouTube.
I don't know how much I have.
7 is cool. Cool.
Cool.
Cool. Oh yeah, that's all for today, gang. Let me know y'all like this vlog.
Jason said that he wants to call y'all the huzz, but I don't know. That's just,
I don't want to call y'all that.
just something he said earlier.
That was weird. I would never call y'all that.
Don't cut this out, please.
We'll see you on the next vlog. Let me know if y'all like this one. Comment, like, share, and peace. Coqueta.